feel like this.
Oh, you're here. And I am so happy you are, because today we will be taking a look at the JBL Flip 4 Bluetooth speaker review. If you saw the unboxing, people, not only was this box extremely fun because we could do this, but what we realized is, man, this is a quality product. And if you want to purchase one of these quality products for yourself, you can do so by checking down the affiliate link in the description. But as for now, hang on to your seats, put on your review seatbelts, click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future content, and be sure to drop us a like because I know you will enjoy this video. Let's see if this speaker pounds. Rubber coating outside on the edges, and then a nice coarse fabric that may or may not feel good rubbing against your beard or even petting your dog with. That makes this speaker, as JBL would say, a durable companion. Other useful features include this lanyard, which allow you to get a little crazy with this thing on your wrist, and then some other buttons featured on the speaker, such as the start-stop, also known as the triangle button, the plus sign, which raises your volume, and once you get to a max volume level, it makes this fun little noise, and then the lower volume level, and the Bluetooth pairing device. On the rubber itself is the power button, and then the button that allows you to link this speaker to other JBL products, that being the JBL Charge, the JBL Flip 4, and one more that I can't think of right now. But basically, any of the newest line of JBL speakers has the capability through the JBL Sync app to link up and create one rockin' party. When you pull the flap up here in the back, it reveals the charging port, and this charges via micro USB. In 3.5 hours, you can have this baby topped off and give you a whole 12 hours of playtime. While at max volume, do realize that these numbers will be a little bit lower, which is okay, because 12 hours of solid partying at max volume might just blow your eardrums out, because boy oh boy, this thing smacks. As you heard in the beginning, it definitely fills up a small room and gets the party thumping. What exactly causes this to do so? Well, it's because it has dual passive bass radiators on the edges here that allow it to sound a lot bigger than what it actually is. Compared to the Sony extra bass speaker that we reviewed in a previous video, which you can go check out here, the bass range is a lot better. This gets down to 60, 70 hertz and still pumps out the bass. Now it's time I let the speaker speak for itself.
It's 100 degrees.
Whoa! That thing is loud! Blew my hat right off.
We just here to be free.
Anyways, what we figured out from doing sound tests live is it really doesn't make a difference to you, the viewer, because you can't tell how the speaker sounds through that microphone. And that's okay, because I'm here to tell you that it sounds good. A nice full sound from a very small, sleek designed speaker that you can take anywhere, even to the pool. Now what I mean by that is this is IP7X rated, meaning that it can be submersed up to 3 feet. But don't take this sucker and chuck it in the pool and expect it to float like a boat, because that's a big no-no. This will sink to the bottom. Your dreams will be crushed because you realize that the warranty doesn't cover water damage, and then you'll have to buy another one through our affiliate link below. Other useful features include the use of the JBL Connect App, which allows you to connect your favorite voice assistant of choice, whether it be your Google Assistant or Siri for you Apple users out there. One thing that we were a little disappointed of and realized during testing was that it doesn't always sync up while watching videos on the internet. So if you happen to be watching 3411 Heaven on your laptop and have it streaming through your JBL Flip 4, you may notice that my mouth may be moving a little bit faster than the sound that's actually coming out of the speaker. But for most intensive purposes, you will be using the speaker to stream music at a rockin' party. And that's where this speaker thrives. If you really want a direct connect in that gives you no lag, you can do so through the 3.5mm audio jack, which is hidden under the water resistant cover. Last but not least, this does feature hands-free calling through a mic that is on the speaker itself. And what we noticed is no one really complained or said that the call quality was great. So if you absolutely have to make a call from this, you can do so. Calls can be accepted by pressing the play button, like so, and boom, you're talking to your mom, your girlfriend, or the telemarketer that's been bugging you all week and you just want to sit in the pool and relax. Overall, this speaker is loud enough to blow off your socks and then some. If you want to try that out for yourself, you can do so by checking them out in the link below, where you can purchase one of these speakers in one of 6 colors for the low price of sub $100. What I would say a worthy investment. If you don't feel like investing in a rockin' speaker, you can invest in us at 3411 Heaven for free by clicking that like button, becoming a subscriber so you don't miss out on any future content, and last but not least, you know where I'm going with this, the notification bell and hitting that thing and ringing it so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks so much for watching. As always, Bird out.